How to enable double click for Apple Pay. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable double click for Apple Pay. First, go to the Wallet app on your phone. To use it with a double click, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and reach the Wallet and Apple Pay option. Then tap on it and find the double click button. Once you find it, toggle on the button if it is not turned on. You can get cards and passes ready at any time by double-clicking the side button. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.